Oh my god, I've been recording this. Hi, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. My name is Belle, and today I have a video for you guys. Well, I have a vlog for you guys. It's me going to get my tattoo. I already filmed it, so the footage you're about to see is from like 2 weeks ago. The vlog honestly might not be the best because I got what I thought was a lot of clips, but fast forwarding it all, I mean, it just all becomes very short. And I also ended up losing some footage, which was like really annoying. So because of all that, I'm just kind of jumping in here doing a quick intro. I'll probably do a little outro. You might see me pop up between the video if I forgot to mention something. I will be getting more tattoos, and I do plan on vlogging all of those. Why not have like a little tattoo series? It'd be so cool. I can't promise that these videos are going to be often because tattoos are a lot of money. I hope you guys enjoy this tattoo vlog, and I hope you like, subscribe, comment, share. I don't fucking know. Okay, enjoy the video. So we're here. I called them. It's 11:15 now. I told them I was running a little bit late. They were like, it's fine. He's finishing up anyways. My tattoo artist that I went to originally here last year was about to go back to Bolivia, and then he's like supposed to be coming back January like 2020, I think. He just did like such a good job. I'll put it here. Like, he just did such a good job on my tattoo. So I'm so nervous. I literally have not seen what the tattoo is. I told him what I wanted. And I told him like, free range to kind of do whatever you want, basically. As long as it has the same style I already have, I'm okay with it. And if it looks cute and good, but obviously I don't care. I'm really not too picky. I could throw a dart on a tattoo board and get that tattooed and be perfectly fine with it for the rest of my life. I don't know why.
No regrets, bro. Let's go.
So he drew the stencil. I'm gonna do 1 butterfly, 2 roses, because it's actually big enough, and then we're gonna fill the space up with some vines. I don't know what that is. I kind of let him do his own thing with the vines and stuff on the side, and then the detailing will all like match this up here. And then I had him add a little red heart just because I really wanted that space filled, and a red heart sounds cute, you know? We're letting everything dry right now before we get started. So when he actually removed the stencil, I was like really pleased with it. I was like,
let's go. I like it.
Do your thing.
so we pretty much finished the well, he didn't finish the outline. This is so weird to me. My skin's like lifted. That was seriously so weird to me. Like, when I first got my tattoo on my wrist like a year ago, that had never happened to me. Like, my skin had never like gotten swollen or puffy like that. So it actually freaked me out when I was in the chair, like low-key. Just because it looked like a spider bite. Like, it looked like my skin was like inflamed. It was fucking weird. Gas station. I'm about to head home. All I could think about in the tattoo chair is literally all this texture. Like, this is the week that I tackle this and get rid of this shit because I'm so sick of it. Bitch, we have been tackling texture, and like, it's all wrapped now. I'll include some pictures that are like much better than this. There's like so much glare. But I'm just exhausted right now. I haven't ate all day. I got there at 11, but we finished on time. He was really great. I added the heart very last minute and impulsively, and it's actually kind of like accidental at the same time too, but it's okay. And I'll talk about that later. Yeah, so the red heart is completely like, it was accidental and it's not. I wanted a red heart. I wanted just the outline of the heart though. I thought he asked me just a little red heart, just like conversation. He's like, I just finished doing it. So he was like, oh, all right, just a little red heart. And I was like, yeah. And I nodded. I was like, yeah, like just a little red heart. I was like, but I didn't really hear him. I had my headphones in and I was blasting music, and then I'm literally like not paying attention. I do like a double take and I feel the needle on my arm again, and I'm like,
Wait, what?
and he's filling it in. So then I realized that he actually had asked me if I wanted the red heart filled in, and I just nodded yes because I didn't understand what he said. Pretended to. You know what, it could have been worse. I could have consented to something worse tattooed on me. That was the only thing that I was like, okay. But now I actually really like it. It only took me probably like 20 minutes after he had done it that I was looking at it, and I thought, well, it's actually kind of cute. I do like it, and it just gives me an excuse to add another little red heart of just the outline.
The next day.
Came to Walmart, got some antibacterial soap, washed it right away. Clink. And then I'm about to put on the Aqua for it. I'll show you guys what it looks like now. So I got it done on the 31st. No. I got my tattoo done the 24th of August, so it has now been officially 2 weeks since. 2-week update. It's a little bit dry right now, not gonna lie. I haven't put Aquaphor on it since probably like yesterday, midday. So it's like 6 a.m. right now though, so I'm about to wash it, put some on. This is what my tattoo looks like after a year. I got this literally last August, officially been a year. And I will leave all the information down below for the tattoo shop that I went to. They were really awesome and I had a great experience with them. I don't think he will be my regular tattoo artist, however, just because if I want to add like little tattoos here and there instead of big pieces, I'll probably go somewhere a little more local. And there you have it. That was my short little tattoo vlog, you know, short and sweet, simple. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video, which may or may not feature a cute ass hairpiece. Yeah. I'm so tired. I need coffee so bad. Alright, bye.
Oh my God. I know.